Have you ever felt like you can't control your own emotional state? That your mind is kind of just doing whatever it wants and that you are reacting, that you're not able to even take a moment to think and respond properly with what you want to experience, but rather you just experience what you experience and you have to deal with it. You're at the mercy of your emotions rather than them working for you. Well, if so, you can change this around. You don't have to seek outside stimulation. You don't have to be relying on external sources for your fulfillment, for your happiness, for your joy. Whenever you decide that you want to be in control, in charge, and you want to use the power of intention to really dictate and decide and control and manage your own state, well, your whole life starts to change. There's one version of you that lives in reaction to everything that happens, that goes out there into the world hoping that things will make you feel happy, make you feel fulfilled. And there's another version of you that generates all of those good emotions from within. The one that uses the power of intention and, your free will to actually make yourself feel what you want to feel from within, so that you don't have to go and get a result, so that you don't have to break through and get closer to your goal. You already feel what you want to feel. You already have what you want to have. And because of that, because you're in that heightened state, it's so much easier to go out and get the results that you want as well. It's almost like a cheat code in a sense. You get to skip ahead to the part where you feel fulfilled and happy that you have and achieved and finally, gotten to the point where you wanted to be. So if you can skip the whole process of having to work for it, then what's the point of even working for it? Well, out of inspiration, not out of desperation. You're not supposed to chase after your goals because you're unhappy and miserable, and once you get them, then you'll finally feel okay for a moment. Rather, you should already be happy and fulfilled, and then go pursue the things that you still feel are worthwhile, but not because there is a lack and an empty void inside of you that you desperately need to fill, but rather because you feel excited to. What I'm really telling you is that you can choose your fuel source. And I remember what it felt like running on empty, always having to say, I'll be happy once I get this, once I get that, once somebody, gives me validation or some goal is achieved, right? Once that arbitrary thing, that number has finally been attained, nothing changes within you. Surely we're not silly enough to keep buying into this, right? Take a moment and really ask yourself, if you had an extra zero in your bank account, or even 3 more zeros, does that all of a sudden fix every problem in your life? Maybe it takes away the financial pressure and stress, sure, but that's not the end. You still have your health, you still have your relationships, right? You still have your mindset. So what's going on here? This feeling of, once I get this, then everything is okay, is the biggest and greatest lie that we tell ourselves. And it's because we've been conditioned to. But you can also condition yourself to just feel happy, to emanate and really, exude this energy of confidence, happiness, enjoyment. This is your day. Today is your day. You get to decide how you feel today, how you behave, what you choose to indulge in or not indulge in, right? It's all free will. But mostly it all happens on automatic pilot because we've just been doing the same thing and the same thing and the same thing. And that's why we have to break the pattern. That's why I'm here trying to help you to interrupt that pattern that's been running so that you can question it and ask yourself, wouldn't you like to try a different one on for size? Even if it's for a short time, just as an experiment. Maybe it will make you feel differently. Maybe it will lead to some different results too. If you're in the habit of thinking the same thing every day, break that pattern up right now. Think something different. Try it on for size, right? What's the worst that can happen? It doesn't fit, you throw it away and go back to your old ways. But best case, it changes your whole paradigm. You change a thought and it leads to all your other thoughts starting to shift more positively in that direction. There is so much constructive work that we can do on a moment-to-moment basis where we can really shift our whole being, our whole energy, and all the outcomes, all of the situations in our life become vastly different as a result of us being brave enough to try and to really make ourselves take that action, a step outside of our comfort zones. In a sense, you are responsible for bringing the best version of yourself out into this world, for your sake, so that you can be happy and have a great life, but also so that you affect everybody else around you positively. So if you're gonna guilt trip yourself into trying to perform, maybe don't do it so that you can show people that you're good or great, but rather do it from a good intention and then remove the guilt trip altogether and do it because you want to and you feel like it. Imagine how much easier your whole life becomes if there's no pressure. Because the pressure is self-imposed, and maybe you have an external source that originated the pressure, but you decide whether or not you perpetuate it and if you keep, entertaining it. It's your choice to feel worry. It's your choice to feel fear. It's your choice to suffer more than what's physically required of you, right? You go through what you go through, but anything else on top of that is a choice. And your response and how you feel and what you make of it, right? The meaning that you attach to everything that's happening in your life, that's on you. And when you become responsible around that, when you really own it, it gives you so much more power. It gives you so much more leverage. You're no longer at a disadvantage fighting against yourself and against, all these past years of conditioning. Instead, you have the freedom to really choose. So choose love and happiness and light and fun and enjoyment, and drop everything that feels heavy and all these burdens and all these weird things that you've imposed upon yourself or that you've decided to buy into that somebody else imposed upon you. You are free. You are free right now to feel how you want to feel, to think how you want to think, to do what you want to do. Truly, take a moment to breathe in that fresh air and ask yourself, where do I want to go from here? And if you want my personal support, coaching, and guidance every week to make sure that you're performing at your absolute best and that you're living your very best life, then I invite you to come over to erafael.com. Link is in the description. Over there, you can book a one-on-one call with me directly. We'll speak and see if it's a good fit. And if so, I can't wait to work with you again. If you want to take advantage of it, erafael.com. Link is in the description. As always, I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I will catch you on the next one.